Hey YouTube, even more Yu-Gi-Oh cards. This is my power tool tin, and I'll be showing you what's inside. Comes with secret rare power tool dragon, flying fortress Skyfire, Physic Emperor, Arcane Apprentice, Moja, Pseudo Space, 6 Scrolls, Dupe Frog, Half or Nothing, Zyborg Doctor, Hydro Pressure Cannon, Super Solar Nutrients, Assault Mercenary, Morphonetic Slingen, Divine Dragon Aquazar, can't say it. Battle Teleportation, Brain Research Lab, Vengeful Servant, Ivy Shackles, XX Saber, Ragru, Mermaid Archer, Half or Nothing, Mysterious Triangle, Sunny Pixie, Automatic Laser, Morphonetic Repair Unit, Wicked Rebirth, Night, Wing Sorceress, Infernity Beast, Emergency Assistance, Attack of the Cornered Rat, Kakarmari Guardians, Morphonetic Videon, Mind Trust, Morphonetic Map, Assault Slash, Blackwing Sirocco of the Dawn, Fake Explosion, Telekinetic Power, I think it was, Pixie Ring, Fairy Wind, Spirit Burner, and Release Restraint Wave, and Blackwing Mysterio, the Silver Shield, and White Poten, and Aegis, the King of the Ocean Lord. Oh god, sorry, hold up. Okay guys, this is the end. These are just some rares and okay cards. Yeah. Start off with the 5-headed dragon. It's a little folded. Mishima Force, Dark Magician, Mago Oscuro, which is Dark Magician, but it's in Spanish. Whoops, hold up. Like this. Dark Magician, Toon World, Toon Mermaid, Toon Summon Skull, left arm of the Forbidden One, right arm of the Forbidden One, and right leg of the Forbidden One. I don't have all the pieces, sorry. If you have them, the other two pieces, the left leg and the head, I will happily buy them or trade them. Turbo Warrior, Turbo Synchron. Oops, I forgot a card. No, never mind. Green Bamboo, Defender of the Forests, secret. I forgot one. Worm Braces, limited edition. My Green Bamboo is also limited edition. Summon Skull, and this is also limited edition. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Offer for all these cards. See you later. Peace out, guys. Woo!